Well, it's just coming up to 9:15 as we approach perhaps the best-known sequence of notes that will be heard this week on BBC Radio 3, the call to attention that marks the start of Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. When Berlioz's teacher heard the work for the first time, he was so disturbed that when trying to put on his hat afterwards, he momentarily couldn't find his head. Goethe thought it a threat to civilization as he knew it, and when 8 years after the Viennese premiere the work was first heard in London, the performance wasn't even completed. Salomon, the concertmaster, declared it rubbish. A few years later he recanted, telling his orchestra that he now considered the Fifth to be one of the greatest compositions he'd ever heard. Well, fate knocking at the door is the romantic interpretation of those opening notes. In fact, they were probably inspired by something rather more mundane, the cry of the yellowhammer bird that Beethoven had heard as he strolled through the Prater Park in Vienna. A work, then, that was once considered revolutionary, in more than one sense of the word, now amongst the world's most popular classics, and yet still with the power to astonish and move. Beethoven's Symphony No. 5, Gianandrea Noseda conducts the BBC Philharmonic.